Where to find the DTS sound settings as well as your equalizer settings. And this is for a Tecno Spark phone with either Android 13, 14, or 15. Not all models will have this feature, but you can go ahead and follow these steps to see if your phone has them. Let's get started. To see if your phone has the DTS settings, and some of them may have the Dolby Atmos, go ahead into the quick access like this here and tap on the settings toggle right there. Now, once you're here, go down until you see sound and vibration, this option right here. And as you tap on it one time, you'll see all these different sound options and vibration settings. Just go down until you reach the part that says DTS sound. For some of us may have something called the Dolby Atmos, maybe, it depends on your phone model. And when you go here, you will see these different options. If you have it set to smart, you'll notice that this goes like this here, and then that, and then video, and then game. Smart, you will see that we'll say switch sound according to the scene here. The music gives you this, video, and each one of them will have a specific sound. Okay, when you have game selected, you'll see use game sound, and if you go here, you can have it set to the stereo sound, wide, in front, traditional, or you have the boost of the bass, vocal, and treble there. So a lot of options here for this phone model here. And also, you can choose to turn on the equalizer settings and go into it. And of course, if you know how to work these bands, it's about 5 of them here in total. Yours may be different. And go ahead and get the best sound experience possible with your Tecno Spark phone, like and sub.